Today we are showing how to cultivate coriander. It is very easy to cultivate, profitable and beneficial. Cultivation of coriander without tillage. In many rabi seasons, after harvesting the paddy, sowing the seeds on the land instead of tilling it, it gives good yield at low cost. 8 to 10 tons of dung. Urea 280 to 310 kilograms. TSP 110 to 130 kilograms. MP 90 to 110 kilograms. Gypsum 60 to 75 kilograms. Zinc sulfate 12 to 15 kilograms fertilizer should be applied. Weeds cause serious problems in the growth of coriander plants. Weed once or twice to keep the coriander field weed-free. Weed the first time after 4 weeks, and the second time after 5 to 6 weeks after sowing. Coriander disease and its cure. Use of organic pesticides in case of insect attack in coriander cultivation. Besides, leaf spot disease. This fungal disease bacterium spreads to coriander leaves by wind. First the leaves get yellow spots and later turn pale. If the spots coalesce, the entire leaf is damaged. Soil and seeds are prepared. Generally sandy loam soil and atol soil are good for cultivation of coriander leaves. It can be cultivated in all types of soil. Coriander leaves will grow faster if soaked for 10 to 12 hours before sowing. Coriander seeds should be sown at a depth of 3 to 4 centimeters. Once the seeds are sown, they should be covered with soil and watered. But there is no need to water if the soil is wet. Accumulated excess water, or rain water, should be drained within 1 to 2 hours. Otherwise, the coriander leaves will rot and perish. Harvesting. After 30 to 35 days of sowing coriander seeds, leaf collection can be continued for a month. Warning. Before using pesticides/insecticides, read the label on the bottle or packet carefully and follow the instructions. Wear protective clothing while using. Do not smoke or drink while using. Ensure that the water from the sprayed area does not enter open water bodies. Market the crops from the area where pesticides were applied after at least 7 to 15 days. Yield. Depending on the variety, the yield per 100 is 14 to 16 kilograms of leaves and 6.8 to 8.0 kilograms of coriander. Storage. For leaf crops, after 10 to 15 days of seedling growth, thin out the seedlings to 5 centimeters in each row. Leave one seedling in a row and remove the rest. For coriander cultivation for leaves, harvest the crop within 60 days. Then, apply 20% less fertilizer to the same area, and this crop can be cultivated again.